All right, in this last section, we're going to talk specifically about ways that we can both reduce and manage stress, specifically to improve our health and overall well being. So, there are a few main behaviors we can engage in to try and have a healthy life and improve our resilience to different stressors. The first one is simply to try and maintain an active lifestyle, so be physically active. And we can see a lot of the benefits of this just through different aspects of physical health. And a lot of this kind of comes down to reducing things like inflammation and overall physical stress on the body through being out of shape or having added sort of physical stressors placed on the body. The second one is to maintain a healthy sleep schedule. And this can often be a challenge in regard to stress because stress, we know, specifically disrupts sleep patterns. But ideally, it's sort of the cyclical nature between the two. And so ideally, we want to get enough sleep to reduce the effects of stress. But if we are stressed and undergoing major stressors, that can disrupt our sleep schedule as well. So it becomes a challenge to balance, but we should do our best to try and maintain a healthy sleep schedule. Often, ideally, we look for around 6 to 9 hours of sleep, or we say the average of 8 hours a night tends to be ideal for most people, though there is some individual difference range inside that window. Of course, then we have maintaining a healthy diet. Once again, we can see sort of the benefits of this, both with meeting the physical needs that our body has, providing nutrients to our body to support its healthy functioning, but also we see healthy diet having a reduction in things like inflammation and other negative factors that affect those same stress indicators and those same stress responses within our body. We should also try to maintain a healthy social support. So we talked about the importance of that social component in the biopsychosocial model. And we know that social effects also produce benefits in how we respond to stressful situations as well. And then lastly, I know a lot of the times people can kind of look at this last thing as sort of a gimmicky technique, but using relaxation techniques can be beneficial and actually can work to reduce stressors or at least increase our resilience to stressors and our response to them. And so doing things like mindful meditation or other ways of actively sort of addressing, bringing into awareness what the stressor may be, and then working to reduce our response to that stressor can help reduce sort of the negative effects that we see from it. This is very similar to a lot of the cognitive or just behavioral therapies we looked at, where we see the idea here is to bring to light, bring to our awareness what these stressors are, and then act and take on strategies to try and eliminate or reduce the effects of them.